Top conspiracy theories around the world in 2020. First, 9/11 was planned by the US government. Many conspiracy theories have been presented concerning the September 11, 2001 attacks, many of them claiming that President George W. Bush and/or individuals in his administration knew about the attacks beforehand and purposefully allowed them to occur because the attacks would generate public support for militarization, expansion of the police state, and other intrusive foreign and domestic policies by which they would benefit. Proponents point to the Project for the New American Century, a conservative think tank that argues for increased American global leadership, whose former members include ex-Secretary of Defense Donald Rumsfeld, Vice President Dick Cheney and several other key Bush administration figures. A 1990 report from the group stated that some catastrophic and catalyzing event, like a new Pearl Harbor, would be needed to budge public opinion in their favor. Second UFO recovered at Roswell. The Roswell UFO incident involved the recovery of materials near Roswell, New Mexico, USA, in July 1947, which have since become the subject of intense speculation, rumor, questioning and research. There are widely divergent views on what actually happened, and passionate debate about what evidence can be believed, or the United States military maintains that what was recovered was a top-secret research balloon that had crashed. By the early 1990s, UFO researchers such as Friedman, William Moore, Carl Flock, and the team of Kevin Randle and Don Schmitt had interviewed several hundred people who had, or claimed to have had, a connection with the events at Roswell in 1947. Additionally, hundreds of documents were obtained via Freedom of Information Act requests, as were some apparently leaked by insiders, such as the disputed Majestic 12 documents. Their conclusions were that at least one alien craft had crashed in the Roswell vicinity, that aliens, some possibly still alive, were recovered, and that a massive cover-up of any knowledge of the incident was put in place. Third, John F. Kennedy's assassination. The assassination of John F. Kennedy, the 35th President of the United States, took place on Friday, November 22, 1963, in Dallas, Texas, USA at 12:30 p.m. CST, 1830 UTC. Kennedy was fatally wounded by gunshots while riding with his wife Jacqueline in a presidential motorcade through Dealey Plaza. The official investigation by the Warren Commission was conducted over a 10-month period, and its report was published in September 1964. The commission concluded that the assassination was carried out solely by Lee Harvey Oswald, an employee of the Texas School Book Depository in Dealey Plaza. A number of conspiracy theories exist with regard to the assassination of US President John F. Kennedy. Such theories began to be generated soon after his death, and continue to be proposed today. Many of these theories propose a criminal conspiracy involving parties such as the Federal Reserve, the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, the KGB, the Mafia, Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, Director J. Edgar Hoover, Vice President Lyndon B. Johnson, Richard Nixon, Fidel Castro, George H.W. Bush, Cuban exile groups opposed to the Castro government, and the military and/or government interests of the United States. Fourth, global warming is a fraud. The suggestion of a conspiracy to promote the theory of global warming was put forward in a 1990 documentary, The Greenhouse Conspiracy, broadcast by Channel 4 in the United Kingdom on the 12th of August 1990, as part of the Equinox series, which asserted that scientists critical of global warming theory were denied funding. William Gray, Ph.D., a pioneer in the science of hurricane forecasting, has made a list of 15 reasons for the global warming hysteria. The list includes the need to come up with an enemy after the end of the Cold War, and the desire among scientists, government leaders and environmentalists to find a political cause that would enable them to organize, propagandize, force conformity and exercise political influence. Big world government could best lead and control us to a better world. In this article, Gray also cites the ascendancy of Al Gore to the vice presidency as the start of his problems with federal funding. According to him, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration stopped giving him research grants, and so did NASA. Fifth, Princess Diana was murdered by the royal family. In 1997, Princess Diana, Princess of Wales, and Dodi Fayed, son of Muhammad Fayed, owner of the Ritz Hotel and Harrods, were killed in a car accident while trying to get away from press photographers in Paris. The scandal surrounding their relationship, Dodi was Muslim whilst Diana was the mother of the future head of the Church of England, has led many people to speculate that they were actually killed in order to prevent further scandal to the throne of England. Polls suggest that around a quarter of the UK public, and a majority of people in some Arab countries, believe that there was a plot to murder Diana, Princess of Wales. Motivations which have been advanced for such a conspiracy include suggestions that Diana intended to marry Dodi Fayed, that she intended to convert to Islam, that she was pregnant, and that she was to visit the Holy Land. Organizations which conspiracy theorists suggest are responsible for her death have included French intelligence, the British royal family, the press, the British intelligence services MI5 or MI6, the CIA, Mossad, the Freemasons, or the IRA. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.